Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two ERP or CRM tools. First one is Odoo and the second one is Salesforce. We will go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about these two products. We will go through pricing plans, and then in the end we will try to find out which one is better. So let's start with Odoo. Odoo is an online software suite that lets users better manage and run their businesses from ERP to CRM or e-commerce to CMS. All the Odoo apps are integrated within the system and allow users to fully automate their business processes and reap the different benefits and enjoy a lot of costs on the administrative processes and add-ons. Odoo ERP has several apps on its platform that give users the ability to track and automate everything they do online, centralized and accessible from anywhere with any device. The platform consists of a unique framework with elegant and modern technical design, giving users an unparalleled user experience. Odoo provides excellent flexibility to users. They can add apps according to their company's growth, adding one app at a time and not rushing the execution as the need evolves and as the user's customer base grows. Users can select and pay for the apps they need separately, with add-ons costing the extra as per the need. They are also made for freelancers, not just small, medium and large companies, and provide business hours online. And they're gonna help you all the time. You can install it on Windows and Mac and run it on Android and iOS as well. Very interesting about Odoo, it's their pricing plan. As you can see, you just have to choose the number of users, and per one user, 2 users, 3 users, and etc. You can go through you can be billed annually or monthly, where annually you can save money. So what you're going to do? Straight away, you can choose from different amount of apps they are providing. For example, website, accounting, manufacturing. It's also with inventory, points of sale, e-commerce, for example, CRM, and it's 5 users, 60 euros, then 10 euros discount, or you can just try it for free. I really like this option because you just gonna square in what you need. To the UI of Odoo, it's very easy to drag and drop, where basically you are creating the new opportunities or new pinpoints at your company. And also we can check there's a room for discussions or kinda their own. You can basically chat with your employees. There's a calendar for important tasks and upcoming events. Contacts, well, that's kind of self-explanatory. CRM, this is what I showed you, and then there are apps, and you can simply install into Odoo and customize it overall. But let's talk about the biggest player or the greatest player in the whole industry, which is Salesforce. Salesforce is a futuristic customer relationship management software, bringing companies and their customers together. The integrated software helps departments like commerce, marketing, sales, and service to get a unified view of each client. Moreover, companies can also leverage on the particular to deliver amazing shopping experiences to individual buyers, automate time-consuming job, assure quick resolutions to queries raised from the customer's front, and strategize personalized marketing schemes. The solution serves organizations scattered across industries like retail, automotive, higher education, public sector, media, communication, hospitality and transportation, non-profit and more. With Salesforce, organizations get the advantage of joining the 150,000 like-minded companies, where they can find massive community of experts ready to help in the company's growth, besides offering an estimate of their return on investment. Lastly, AI technology-equipped chatbot, they called Einstein, within the software helps companies reassess past interactions with individual clients and better understanding raised queries. They are also meant to be for freelancers, and really, they are the biggest player on the market or the CRM market. They are also the most expensive one. If we're gonna check their pricing plans, you can see that the essential, after you finish your try for free trial, goes for $25 per user a month, which is not that easily reached as, for example, as Odoo. So you have one bundle and you have to go with it. Then professional, which is $75 a month, enterprise, and then unlimited with all the features that you could possibly need or asked for from Salesforce. What they're really good at is the support. You can basically ask any day of the month just to help you with your struggle, and they'll be up to help. Very great thing with Salesforce is the way of you can integrate everything with it. Basically, if you decide to go with the Salesforce paid subscription, you can also integrate it, for example, even with Odoo best features or ClickUp Monday. It's completely up to you. Even though they are quite expensive, you can really work around with it. And if you're bigger company, you can for sure use Salesforce. If you're a smaller one, the Odoo advanced pricing plans will be, in my opinion, the way for you. I would actually choose the right one after I try it for free, at least from your point of view, or in your case. Try both of them and find out which one suits you the most. I would recommend, if you're a smaller one, go with Odoo, and with a bigger one, Salesforce, at least through a test. But if you have more questions, please leave them underneath this video. If you like it, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the other one.